Hi guys, this is Kyrie of LiveYourMyth.world. Today we are going to show you the most important travel hack of all, booking flight tickets. Throughout this video also we're going to show you 8 more tips how you can travel cheap like us, and at the end of this video we will show you how you can get a €20 voucher for our favorite flight booking website. Subscribe! Head on over to LiveYourMyth.world, click Travel Cheap. Here are some how-tos on traveling around the world really cheap. So everybody's asking us, what is your secret? How are you able to travel all the time for this long and stuff? And we're telling them that there is no secret. And now we're showing every one of you that everything that we're doing, you can do it too. So right now we're going to start with the very basic, the cheap plane tickets. Click here. So we've listed here where we check our flights, and our favorite is Kiwi, and I will tell you why. Okay, the cool thing about Kiwi is this map. So you just put where you're flying from, and then it gives you already prices. Like going to Berlin for 15, Malta for 15, London for 20. So these are really cool prices. So if you're really flexible on your time and where you want to go, you can really travel cheap. Okay, so where to go? I will be free on I think 25th of January, and then the trip should be like 2 to 10 nights, let's say. Okay, so this, for example, is still expensive for me, so you can go here in price and then select how much is your budget. So let's say 35. Okay, so the cool thing is they have a lot of filters, like transport, stops, if you want bags or like free bags. And if you have this kind of flexibility and you have these kinds of options, like you can really have it. Okay, so Sofia is €23 and also Aqaba. And this is in Jordan. Cool. I haven't been there. Okay. Hold on. Let's see the dates first. Okay, January 25 until February 4. This is perfect. 10 nights. Okay, book for 23. Imagine, guys, going to Jordan for €23. Like, come on. Okay, baggage, blah blah blah. Okay, I need to fill in these things. Of course, you also have to travel light so that you don't need to pay like an excessive amount of money for luggage. Like this is already like tickets for 2 trips. So yeah. Okay. Email. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Payment. Another tip, stay away from holidays or events. If you want to fly on these kinds of holidays and events, you have to book the tickets at least 5 months early. Because if there's a holiday, everybody would go there, and of course the price will go up. Yeah, the cool thing about this Kiwi also is that they have an app, you can download it and it will show you the same. Like the map, they also have the map, they have options and stuff. And okay, I agree to the terms and conditions. Okay, pay. And guys, remember, if you want a €20 discount on a €100 ticket that you want to book, you can send us an email through the contact form and we can send you the code. So okay, payment was successful. Thank you for booking Kiwi.com. I will see Jordan. Bye! How you remove the thing?
Which is the thing?
The pop-up in my computer. So I wanted to watch something and like a pop-up that say allow, keep coming, and I denied, and I cannot watch it. So I click allow once. And then
You didn't say that to me. It was a secret. No. No, I know the truth.